Pulau Redang, embark on an unforgettable adventure as we take you on a virtual journey to the breathtaking Pulau Redang in Malaysia. Starting from the vibrant Kuala Lumpur International Airport, CLIA. As you step foot into CLIA, you'll immediately sense the excitement in the air. Known for its world-class facilities and efficient services, CLIA ensures a seamless travel experience, setting the perfect tone for your exploration of Pulau Redang. Located on the east coast of Malaysia, Pulau Redang is a hidden gem that boasts unparalleled beauty. With its lush greenery, vibrant coral reefs, and diverse marine life, this island paradise is a haven for nature enthusiasts and beach lovers alike. Located on the east coast of Malaysia, Pulau Redang is a hidden gem that boasts unparalleled beauty. With its lush greenery, vibrant coral reefs, and diverse marine life. Upon arrival at Pulau Redang, you'll be greeted by warm turquoise waters that beckon you to dive in. Snorkeling and scuba diving enthusiasts will be thrilled to discover the vibrant underwater world teeming with colorful coral reefs and exotic marine species. Immerse yourself in this aquatic wonderland. Witness firsthand the mesmerizing beauty that lies beneath the surface. On reaching the coast, you'll be transferred to a speedboat ready to set sail towards Pulau Perhentian. Feel the refreshing sea breeze on your face as you glide through the azure waters, offering a taste of the paradise that awaits you. If you're up for an adventure, explore the island's lush rainforests and discover its hidden treasures. Trek through the dense foliage and encounter exotic flora and fauna that call this island home. Keep an eye out for the elusive monitor lizards and playful monkeys that may cross your path. The sights, sounds, and scents of the rainforest will leave you in awe of nature's wonders. To complete your Pulau Redang experience, indulge in the local cuisine that is sure to tantalize your taste buds. From fresh seafood delicacies to traditional Malaysian dishes, each bite will transport you to a culinary paradise. Don't forget to try the famous Ikan Bakar grilled fish and Azampida's spicy and swordfish stew for an authentic taste of the island. As your journey to Pulau Redang comes to an end, you'll carry with you memories that will last a lifetime. From the moment you set foot in CLIA to the awe-inspiring sights and flavors of Pulau Redang, this adventure will leave an indelible mark on your heart. After a day of exploration, take a moment to relax at the park's charming cafe surrounded by lush greenery. Enjoy a refreshing beverage and indulge in local delicacies, all while basking in the tranquility of this natural oasis.